Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Era Marie. It's Era here, and I'm here to bring you a short video on how I do my brows. So if you are interested, stay tuned. First, I'm going to start out by using the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. I'm going to use the side that has the eyebrow spoolie to brush out my brows, just to get them prepped for the next stage, which I will be filling them in with the side of the pencil. The e.l.f. pencil is about $2. I got mine from Walmart. I'm just going to do each side, brush them out. Then I'm going to turn around and take the side with the pencil, and it's a retractable pencil, and the shade that I purchased is neutral brown, and I didn't want something too dark because I didn't want to look crazy. I just wanted something to kind of give it a natural look, and I'm just filling it in. I don't have to fill in much because I have pretty decent brows. They're not really thin or anything. It's just certain spots that are a little bit thinner, and I just fill that out on each side of my brows. And I alternate between using a gel and brow pencils, or sometimes I use both. But for this, it's just easier for me when I'm in a hurry or want to be lazy. I just use a brow pencil. And you can use a retractable one, or you can use the ones that sharpen. It's not really a preference for me, just as long as it gets the job done. And it's a shade that goes pretty well with my eyebrows. I'm just filling in like so. Just follow the outline of your eyebrows like this. Next, I'm going to go in with the MAC Brow Duo in the color Redhead, and this pretty much is a powder used for your eyebrow powder used to fill in your brows. And this shade seems to fit the best for my color brows. And actually, another favorite I like to use is the e.l.f. Duo. Now it has a powder and a gel with that one, but this one is just strictly powder. It has a darker brown and then a lighter brown color. And so what I'll do is fill in the outer portion of my brows with the darker brown that you've seen in the pair, and then later on you'll see me fill in the front with the lighter brown right here. I'll fill in the top portion, well, the front portion, with the lighter brown color, just to kind of give it a slight ombre effect. You might not be able to catch it that much in the camera, but in person the front will look lighter than the rest, just so it won't look harsh all the way through. Yeah, right here is the lighter brown I'm applying. After that, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color 25 Medium. And this is very affordable. I got mine from Walmart for about like $5.95. And pretty much I'm just going to clean up my brows with this. And then I'm going to take a Wet n Wild brush after I apply it to the lower half of my brow and just clean it up for it to look, you know, clean, nice and neat and precise. And you can use pretty much any concealer that you want, that you like, just to clean them up. It doesn't really matter. It's just as long as it goes well with your skin tone and, you know, you clean it up well, it doesn't really matter. And I'm just going to do it for both sides. And then I'm going to like make a few adjustments to this brow to make it blend a little bit better. I added some at the top just to make it match the other side, as you see here.
Bensound.com. Bensound.com.
And then I'm going to go in and clean up any excess concealer that might have been left behind. And lastly, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara Gel just to set my brows in place. And also I like to use the brow gel to give my brows like a feathered look, so it can look more natural and not as, you know, too cut and precise. And here you have the finished look. So this is how I do my brows. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.